Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to the Schematic Education. I hope all are you good. Today's video related to the question answer related video. I cannot answer the sum of your question in comment because the answer may be too long for the comment. So I decide make a video on it. I hope you like this video, you love this video as much you like or watch other videos for mine. Right? The now first question. Most of the subscriber ask me a phone number. So give me your phone number, your WhatsApp number, or start a support group. So I want to tell you, I'll give you a number in coming days, or you can say a group, WhatsApp group start. So you can ask any question, any query, any fault related problem in this group. I'm giving you reply. I'm giving you solution on it. Right? I'll give you full support on this. There is some rules for the groups. Everybody follow this, but I'll give you helpline number in coming days because right now it's difficult for me to manage time for it myself, also the family, because I'm running a shop, right? Shop work, also I'm making videos for you, right? So that's why it's a delay, but I manage myself, manage my time for you, and start a WhatsApp group for supporting for everyone, right? You can ask me anything in this group, only phone related problems or your query. The next question is about the schematics. Many people have asked me how schematics is important. Also, in many people have their mind in questions. How important is the schematics? Also, if any particular model, schematics is not available, can we fix this model? Can we repair it? Or which line we measure or we check without schematics? So I'll give you answer in this video. First, how important is the schematics? I'll give you an example through this answer. Suppose if you go to the new city and you do not have any knowledge about this city, right? You never visit this city. You nothing know about this city. No streets, no paths, no routes, right? Suppose I give you a destination. How can you reach this destination? From starting point, you can ask the peoples here and there. How can we reach this destination? Where is this place? And maybe some wrong information. Also, with lot of effort, many time consuming. Maybe you reach the destination. Maybe. On the other hand, if I give you map and pin out where is the destination and where is right now you. Now looking the map, you find the shortcut route. You will get the destination in less time, less effort, right? Same as like the map work like schematics diagram in electronic devices. If you have a schematics knowledge, if you know the schematics, how schematic works, how to read it, and looking by the schematics, you will fix any device in a proper way, right? With less efforts and less time. On the other hand, if you don't know about the schematics, as like example, if you do not have the map and you do not have the schematics, the one way left, you ask the near dear friends, near dear technicians, this fault comes for you, how you can fix, You can make a call on another technician. Hey brother, this type of fault comes from me, this type of error show. How can we fix? Or you go to the YouTube videos, right? Watch the video one by one and find the solution. Sometime you get a solution, and most of the time you did not get the proper solution. You work here and there. Sometime watching the video you damage the motherboard. You create the other problems. I hope you get my point. What can I say to you? So that's why schematic is most important. If you know the schematic, then you work with the process. Now, second point, if you do not have any schematic in particular model, how can you fix? For this question, I'll give you an example. First, after that, I will tell you. Suppose a model come to you on a secondary line short, right? You open the motherboard and you check with the multimeter, measure with the multimeter, a one cap short. Now there is no schematics, no bitmap, no hardware solution, no help. So how can you fix? If you go to the YouTube videos, there is no solution, right? So how can you know which line is this? How many voltage in it? Which line belongs to the which IC? How this line work? So if you have experience already, if you have working looking the schematics already on your counter, so what should you do? You open the another model schematics which has the same power IC controller. If you had already experience, then you will do it. You open the another schematics model which had same power IC. Now you open the power IC on your motherboard which is short. So you can check the connectivity between your capacitor which you find the short on the when you remove the IC on the motherboard prints IC pads, motherboard pads, right? You check the connectivity and you find the one pad which is connected to this capacitor or this line. After this, you will check this pad number to the another schematics. This line with this pad belongs to this line. How much voltage run in this line, right? So after you can inject a minimum voltage on it and you will fix the phone. If you don't know about the schematics, then suppose a 1.8 line or 1 volt line, if you inject 3 volt or 4 volt or this line connected to the CPU, then you lost the CPU, you permanently damage the phone. Customer data also never recover the phone. But if you know the schematic work, also have some experience, also believe in yourself, then you will fix the phone. Without schematics, right? After some time, working on a schematics, work on a counter, slowly, you less need schematics. Schematic is important. Also, experience is important. But if you say, I'm not interested in schematics, give me a solution, quick solution. So this channel or this videos is not able for you, right? Hope you get my point. If you learn schematics, work hard, work smart. First work hard, after work smart. Hope you get my point. So if you like this video, then comment in it. Like, comment it in maximum. So let me know you like this video. So next section in every week or one session or one video or question answer related. If you like it, if you want it, I'll make a one video on a 1 week or question answer related video where I'll give you answer for your questions. If you want this type of video, then comment me in this video as much as you can, right? So see you in another video. Network section lesson 2 comes soon in tomorrow, so watch this video also. See you in another video. Goodbye. Like and share and subscribe. Thank you.